Transported beyond myself. Reaching for black.
I can't touch. It's driving me crazy. These limbs are megaphones, tissued out saxophones, trumpets, and conches, amputated from their masters' lifts, unfettered. I spill out into throbbing masses of loss, stretching to explore an ache with no arms. Haiti, it's Coltrane and Davis, part, whole, overbrook, it's unity in order, chaos and disorder, jamming together. And manufactured conflicts, concealing unity, whole notes and half notes, the canvas forgotten in Africa, where life originated. It's running water, still brooks and crumbling hills. It's the waterfall, it thrashes, thrusts, it's rage, denied, it's sweating, glistering, wet, and black. At primordial space. Market women, overloaded, dry bushes, overgrown weed, sloshing mangroves floating to nowhere in shanty towns, and million-dollar houses, cocoon behind lead gates, rifle heaps and tropical flowers, it's toxic plants, and long hours, working people without unions, it's reste avec, unattended, abused and exploited, forced the violence off your face. Only 10 million feet beating at the earth's drum, eroding wombs wall in a desperate toss every birth, looking, new heaven and a new earth. The first heaven disappeared. The drum moonless, aching pain. It's collective memory of frustrations of generations of minds, generations of Africa's souls piling up, swirling in the vortex, crying tears, tearing the ozone, urging recall. But I'm not really American. I'm Haitian! And if y'all don't get on out of my face fast, I'll not only bury you with these rocks, I'll put a hex on you and make you die! That line worked when I was in the 5th grade.
No money.
Have a baby. Forbidden. Lose weight.
Buy an SUV.
The noise it makes calls to me. Rattles on for more. says poor to bougie blue. And I do nothing. If I did go back, and then the leering eye reached there, whistling back Dixie, and salsa the views and Sister Williams out on who said.
Skyscraper or Scud missile can hold back the migration of the dark celestial waters infinitely. Inexorably it claims it flows, rises and falls. Physical, structural, and destined to disintegrate by levels, degrees, intervals. Artificial creeds, like artificial light, are meaningless in truth. The seeds of decay are within you and within your creeds. Within me, tracks of tears I can't wipe away. They won't dissolve. They clamber to the surface, full of blood and guts. Yeah, I've tried everything. Entering the pain. I actually didn't expect when I was in Haiti for educated and privileged peoples like the United States Ambassador and the United States Agency for International Development to be the people, the very people. They were supposed to be the do-gooders. I did not expect them to be the ones shooting the Haitian people's dreams into smithereens.